गोवा कॉर्पोरेट लिगान मंगळारा ओएनजीसीन डी.वाय. पाटील टीमीक 4 विकेटींनी मारले. डी.वाय. पाटील टीमीन पयली बॅटिंग करून 8 आउट 158 रन्स काडले. जाप दितना ओएनजीसीन 6 विकेटीच्या बदलाक जैत जोडले. हाफ सेंचुरी मारपी मयंक राउत मॅन ऑफ दी मॅच थारलो.
Kevin Almeida and Shiri Sharma back in the pavilion, and bowlers are bowling beautifully, and there's a full shot there, and it's a wonderful boundary towards the wide long on region, but this time he gets it straight.
Sumit Narwal disappointed in the bit. Again a great delivery. This time the ball is running towards the boundary. The fielder is also running it. Will not get there as it's another boundary, and this time coming from the bat of Mandeep Singh. So it will be interesting to find out how they. Oh my God! This is excellent placement for 4. This time again he's trying to do something unique. One bounce, and again this time anything is still possible for D.Y. Patil. Good looking shot coming from the bat of Naushad Sheikh, and it's a maximum. Straight away umpire. This time we'll get boundary for it. Tricky shot by Naushad Sheikh, and he's on fire here at the moment. 2 deliveries left in this Shum Chaudhary over. This time once again Naushad Sheikh playing it very fine.
So that is up in the air. We have to wait and watch, and he's out. According to me, I will give 60-40 to D.Y. Patil at this stage. That should have been stopped.
So 8 overs have been bowled. ONGC 47 for 3, and little bit struggling at the moment.
Hope to see some player from Goa playing to Indian team soon, and it's a wonderful shot, and it's a 6. We'll select at the end of this innings. That is a different kind of ball that we should try, but in the end ONGC has won quite handsomely in the end by 4 wickets. That was beautifully put away.
गोवा हँडबॉल अकादमीन असनोड्या 2 दिसाचो रेफ्री क्लिनिक एक्झामिनेशन कोर्स दवरिल्लो. कोर्सान गोयचे पीई टीचर्स आनी नॅशनल हँडबॉल प्लेयर वांटेकार जाल्ले. पुण्याचो हँडबॉल कोच प्रोफेसर योगेश बोडकेन हँडबॉलांतल्यो म्हत्वाच्यो गजाली आनी बारीकसाणी शिकयल्यो.
Goa Handball Academy has conducted a 2-day refresher course cum referee clinic examination for the physical education teachers and also for the handball national players on 3rd and 4th March 2018 at Asnora Sports Complex. Professor Yogesh Bodke from Pune University was the resource person for this 2-day referee clinic cum referee examination for the handball players. The main purpose of this refresher course cum referee clinic examination was to ensure that most of the physical education teachers can update or increase their knowledge in the game of handball, and also to become efficient referees in the game of handball.
ढोल काशे होसयचो गजर गोयच्या खाची कोळण्यांनी गावागावांनी घुमता। दिवचले लाडफ्या शिगम्याची घोडेमोडणी जाली। सुर्ला तारवाड्यार हजरत पिराच्या दर्ग्यार हिंदू मुस्लिमांचो परंपरेन एकठांय नमन घालून रोमटामेळ जाता। तारवाड्यार पयली मल्लिकार्जुन आनी मागीर पिराक नमन घालून रोमटाची परंपरा कितलीशीच वर्सां जाली चल्ल्या। पळयात गोयचे शिगमे।
म्हाका खूब खोस भोगता की इतके बहुसंख्येन आमचे मुसलमान हिंदू भाव हांगा मुद्दाम खुशयेन पिराची भेट घेवपाक शिगम्याच्या निमित्यान हांगा येयल्ले आसा। तशेंच आमचे मुसलमान भाव बी हांगा तेंचे स्वागत करपाक रावता।
पिरा घेता की चला जाऊ पिराचे बेटे पीर भेटला अर्दे वाटे। पण आम्ही ना म्हटले हे आमचे जे जाणट्यांनी जितकी वर्सां चलोन येयल्या आनी ते आमी फुडें चालू दवरले आमचे कडेन जाता तो पर्यंत।
पहिले भाजवाच्या आधी सरळ वयत राहता ते तिथून रवानाच्या आधी दिसतना तिथून सिद्धाकडे आणि लास्ट चवाट्यार वचून पुजा केल्या उपरांत घोडे असं तसे पाडतात हे असे गेले ते सायडीन वयर येतले आणि परत घोडेमोडी नाचपाक सुरुवात जाते।
घोडेमोडणी थंय प्रत्येक आपापल्या म्हणजे सातेरकर मळी कुटुंबियाचो एक घोडो, केळबेकार कुटुंबीय मंडळीचो एक घोडो आणि रवानात म्हणजे चारी कुटुंबियाचो एक घोडो असे 3 घोडे सजोवन नंतर तांकां पटांगणात पळोवंक व्हरतात।
ते काय कौलाचं ह्या पार पाडून घ्या याच ते आणि बघा।
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटा। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।